Connecting your soundbar to TV without HDMI ARC.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about alternative ways to connect your soundbar to your TV, particularly when HDMI ARC is not an option. HDMI ARC is a popular choice for audio connections due to its ability to transmit high-quality sound, but don't worry if your TV or soundbar doesn't support it. There are other effective ways to connect these devices.
What is HDMI ARC?
HDMI ARC, Audio Return Channel, is a feature available in some TVs and soundbars that enables the TV to send audio data upstream to the soundbar. This eliminates the need for a separate audio cable and ensures high-quality audio transmission.
Using an optical cable.
Optical cables, also known as TOSLINK, provide a reliable alternative when HDMI ARC is not available. An optical cable transmits audio signals as light pulses, offering clear and quality sound output. All you need to do is to connect one end of the optical cable to the optical out port of your TV and the other end to the optical in port on your soundbar. However, keep in mind that some audio formats may not be supported with optical cables.
Using RCA cables.
If your TV and soundbar have RCA ports, you can use RCA cables for the audio connection. RCA cables are color-coded, with red and white connectors representing the right and left audio channels, respectively. Connect the red and white ends of the cable to the matching ports on your TV and soundbar. Note, though, that RCA cables offer stereo sound and might not be suitable for high-quality audio formats.
Using auxiliary AUX cables.
Auxiliary cables, often referred to as aux cables, can be another alternative for connecting your TV and soundbar. An aux cable carries a stereo analog audio signal. To connect your devices, plug one end of the aux cable into the aux out, or headphone, port on your TV and the other end into the aux in port on your soundbar. Be aware that, similar to RCA, the sound quality provided by an AUX cable might be lower compared to HDMI ARC or optical cables. There you have it. Even if your TV or soundbar doesn't support HDMI ARC, you can still connect these devices using optical cables, RCA cables, or aux cables. Each of these options comes with its pros and cons, so choose the one that suits your needs the best. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful for your home theater setup.